All right, so we're just going to do a quick update on this Valentine's Day storm potential, and I want to show you the European model has been all over the place with this storm. And this is what it was showing the other day. It was showing a nice snowstorm up in the interior northeast, and that was due to this northern piece. I'll show you here. Let me just go to the upper levels. I want to show you why it was showing this solution, because it made sense for what it was modeling, but it was an outlier compared to all the other models. You see these ISO bars, the kinks in the ISO bars here. That northern piece was a bit stronger was much stronger, I should say, than what the GFS and the Euro AI were showing. So that was why this storm was coming up the coast. Now, I want to show you what it is showing, and it's in line with the other models. It is a flatter wave that gets suppressed to the south and pushes out to sea, and that's because this northern piece up here does not dive southward and connect with this southern piece to steer this storm up the coast. But that doesn't mean that it's not going to be an impactful storm. It just means it's not going to be an East Coast snow producer. There is going to be, and I want to show you here what the threat is. This storm is going to be a rainmaker across the southeast, and I am watching this area highlighted here in red for the potential for some severe weather through Valentine's Day weekend. And I want to show you the setup with this storm. I want to show you the upper levels. So here over the Pacific, the Eastern Pacific, that's the energy that's going to bring this storm. And then here it's going to move inland through the day on Friday, and then it's going to be traversing the south central and southeastern U.S. And we're going to have strong upper level winds out ahead of this trough. And we're also, with the storm forming over here, you're going to have Gulf moisture being pulled northward. And with the strong upper level winds, the strong upward motion, and ample moisture, I do see the potential for some severe weather across this region right in here. And it does verify on the surface map. I'll show you the surface. You can see as it pushes along, you get a strong line of thunderstorms, showers and thunderstorms, to push eastward across Texas, into Louisiana, portions of Arkansas, Alabama and Mississippi, and into Georgia, and possibly into South Carolina and then northern Florida. It's not going to be a huge severe weather outbreak, but it's definitely something that needs monitored. So throughout the week, just stay tuned. I will keep you guys updated with any changes. Stay tuned later tonight. I'm going to do a more in-depth look at this storm system and take a look at some of the severe weather parameters that we are looking at. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this brief update, and subscribe.